On this RV short, I'm going to show you something that I do whenever you've cooked your breakfast in the morning and you've got your Blackstone or your Suburban grill out here and you've already cooked. After you get done, you don't want to clean the whole top, so what you do is you get all your food debris off as best you can, and then you want to get a piece of foil like this. And the shiny side is your side that actually has a coating on it, so that once you want that to go down, you want it to cool off a little bit, and you want to lay this on top. And I'm going to have to go get another piece. So we want to put 2 pieces on there, and we're going to let that set on there. That keeps anything else from getting on top of there. And then and when you're ready to cook this evening, I'm going to be cooking burgers. So when you're ready to cook your burgers, you just pull that off, heat it up to temperature, do a little bit of a burn off of what was left over from breakfast, and then you're ready to go with your hamburger or whatever you're having that evening. So this can be done several times throughout a camping trip, and you don't have to completely clean this whole grill, and it just keeps debris and stuff from getting on there. Once you get your foil on there, I usually take it and wrap it around the front edge and just put my spatula. I usually clean that up, and that's ready for the next meal. One thing, I did say something about the foil that has the different dull sides. There's different thoughts about that. I've read it that really doesn't matter which side it goes down, but I've always thought that the shiny side was the one that may have had a coating on it, but that may not be the case. So it doesn't really matter which way you lay it down, just to cover the grill up and have it like that. So that's about all I have for this RV short, and hope that helps you out in what you're doing. And if you have any questions on how I did this, or if you have different ways that you might cover your grill when you're waiting between meals and several days camping, let me know in the comments, and we'll see you again on another one of these RV shorts.